One of the most exciting areas we're exploring in this release is the introduction of the Autodesk Assistant, a new AI-powered experience designed to help you to interact with your designs in a more natural and intelligent way. Imagine being able to work with your CAD model the same way you collaborate with a colleague, simply asking questions, exploring ideas, and letting the system help surface insights from your design. The Autodesk Assistant brings that vision closer to reality by introducing a natural language interface directly inside Inventor. In this example, we're prompting Inventor to create model states with instructions. Suppress a particular type of component, in this case all of the fasteners. As you see here, the Assistant appears as a dockable panel alongside your workspace, where you can type questions or request and receive meaningful responses based on the design in front of you. Instead of manually searching through features or opening multiple components, you can ask the Assistant to analyze your model and return useful information instantly. Continuing with model states, select multiple components to create model states in all of them. One easy workflow that saves time. No need to open any of the models. Just tell the Assistant what to do with the selected parts from the assembly. Imagine the possibilities of automating repetitive tasks like this without having to write a single line of code. Many of you know that the parameters play a key role in commonly used designs. Take a custom spur gear, for example. A simple prompt in Autodesk Assistant will propagate all of the parameters necessary to define your model. It does it in less than a minute. You can try this immediately before you even begin modeling your part or assembly. Or how about furniture design? Let's see some parameters for a kitchen cabinet. Or if you don't design furniture, no problem. Ask for parameters for bearings, hydraulic cylinders, belts, and pulleys. Once you have the parameters listed, Inventor has quick access to them as you model your design. Notice as we add dimensions and features, there is a list option to link to a particular parameter. You might even ask it to identify features that fall outside manufacturing requirements, summarize the hole sizes that are used across an assembly, or evaluate specific design conditions across multiple parts. The Assistant analyzes the model, interprets the parameters and geometry, and returns clear results that help you to understand your design more quickly. Here you can now see the parameters that were listed are driving the size of the model. The vision for Autodesk Assistant goes beyond simply answering questions. It can also help automate repetitive tasks that engineers perform every day, like gathering data, exporting assets, or preparing information for documentation, freeing you to focus more of your time on the creative and engineering challenges that matter the most. Exporting images can also be accomplished with a single prompt. Tell it to save images of all the selected parts in an assembly. Let Inventor take care of the repetitive tasks as you focus on more important work. Under the hood, the Assistant is powered by a growing set of intelligent tools that enable it to interact with your design data directly. And this is just the beginning. As we continue to expand on those capabilities, the Autodesk Assistant has the potential to become a powerful partner in the design process, helping engineers work faster, explore designs more deeply, and unlock new levels of productivity.